Baby, you don't know what you do to me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will show how I make these Crocs for a custom order. Customer asked for a pink and purple freestyle design. These Crocs are a size 13 in men's and I purchased them off Amazon. Okay, the first step is to sand your Crocs so the glue and rhinestones can adhere to them better. I am also trying out a new method on these new Crocs by filling up the holes with Croc backs to make a fuller shoe. I apply a generous amount of glue and start aligning the outside, then I fill the inside with rhinestones. I am using 3 different packs of rhinestone and pearl combinations from BlingeeThingee on Etsy in mixes 17, 43, and 85. Croc charms are from my online store and you can purchase them at needashands.com.
Until my will runs dry, deny your sins, I don't need
I do let my shoes cure for about 2 days before shipping or pickup. I hope you all enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.